Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best investment broker that you can buy stocks with in Switzerland. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get on this site called DEGIRO, and DEGIRO in my eyes is the best, and let me explain why. You can simply click visit your local website and scroll down below and click Switzerland, and then click here on top right and register. And let me talk to you about the fees. So the first thing is that DEGIRO was chosen also by Broker Chooser as a best broker for stock trading and also best discount broker. And why is that? Only because the fees are really low. When we come here to the fees, they have really low trading fees, like really low. The second thing is that you don't have any account fee or inactivity fee or deposit on or withdrawal fee like eToro has or Interactive Brokers and others. So in this way, it's like really good. Then in the markets and products, you get most of the things, but the two things as CFD you don't have because that's quite risky, and Forex, you need to find it elsewhere. But options cost like $0.50 per contract. That's like 0.50 euro. So that's also good. The customer service is great. And the last thing I wanted to show you is that with the fees and options and funds, it's really good broker that you can use. You can simply test it out, open the account. Also, it's on your own language. So it's just amazing. I don't know what else should I show you. It's like buying the stocks is simple. You can use it for long-term trading and day trading. And my recommendation is that some ETFs per month are free. So if you're gonna buy ETFs, you can see it right here. There is also a list of ETFs that can be traded for free once a month. Condition more different DEGIRO, meaning either one buy or sell transaction. As long as they are time-same transaction, buy or sell first one and rate is at least 1,000 euro. So the commission structure is really great. And yeah. Or this greater, and this month you can get also for free. So this is what I recommend using for Switzerland. DEGIRO. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.